Hey guys, Jason from Nailed It Fencing here, and today I have something real special for you. This has been one of my favorite builds of 2023, and I've had some real good builds. Here we have a Colorbond fence with exposed cypress 115 by 115 dressed posts, a sleeper plinth at the bottom, and vertically cladded 90mm Merbau with 6mm gaps on the gates. Let's take a bit of a look at the layout. We are coming down on quite a slope here, so all these panels here are running horizontal. So to match that slope at the bottom, you can see that the plinth is a little shorter over here and thicker here, and that allows that to be nice and horizontal. Don't mind my nails, my daughter painted them for me. We got the exposed posts there, as you can see, and then we do step panels. So we come up as the land goes up, come up at the gate, we come up again and come up again. Taking a look from the other side, it all ties in real neatly as we go down the hill here. The total fence height is 2 meters tall. That's the 1.8 meter high Colorbond panels plus the 200mm sleeper plinth. Let's take a look at the sliding gate. We have this motorized, and here it goes, just opening up. Not running this too crazy fast as there is a bit of a slight incline here, so I just want it to be able to open nice and smoothly. Just got it powered by power cord at the moment. The electrician's going to come shortly to hook this up properly. I'm running a BFT motor, so that runs nice and silky smooth. Let's close this up from the back. I do have this running on rollers, and as you can see, this piece matches that slope in the ground. I could have used a nylon block, but I decided to go with the roller. The client is going to be doing some landscaping in here because the ground comes up a bit higher here, so they're going to be doing sleeper here, and then at the pedestrian gate they've got to dig this out, do some sleepers and do a pathway and stuff like that, so that'll be good. So the back, you know, almost matches what the front looks like, except for basically the gate frames, and those gate frames have been powder coated to match the fence. Oh, and mind you, the fence color is a woodland gray, so that's what color we've gone with here. Now if we come over to the pedestrian gate, no need for any diagonal bracing, as this is a steel frame gate and not quite too wide, so there's absolutely no need. Over here we've got the back of the Parcel Pal 2 by Milk Can Outdoors. The client's got the key, so I can't show that off to you. And over here we've got the Lokklatch Deluxe by D&D Technologies. It's just a nice simple gate latch at the front here. Lift that up, pull that open, and then we can close that up here. At the front, it's got the push button. Once again, client's got the key. I can't show you, so you can push that open. And we'll take another little look from this side. The latch just comes in and just latches in nicely like that. All right, coming back around to the front. Here's that Parcel Pal 2 by Milk Can Outdoors. And I've got this cut into the Colorbond, as you can see, and it's sitting on the plinth there. And I've actually got underneath this, I've got a stand that's holding the Parcel Pal, and it's all connected to that. So basically here, you've got a slot for your letters, which is clearly marked letters. So the letters can go in there. Parcels can go in here. So you put your parcel in there, and then when you close that up, you can see how that allows the parcel to then drop. And then over here, in the special instructions, if you've got a parcel that's a little bit larger, you can give the courier the code and then open this up, and that'll open this wide section here to allow a much larger parcel, you know, things bigger than a shoebox. But client has done the code on that and I don't know it, and I've just rubbed my little dirty fingies all over that, so I'll give that a little clean before I leave. I think this fence has come up a real treat, and I really did enjoy this build. There was quite a lot to think about, obviously, with the gradient of the land here. I really wanted to try and make all these drop downs all nice and perfect, and it can be difficult sometimes because in order for this sliding gate to actually make it all the way here without hitting this pedestrian gate, these are actually full panels. I didn't cut these down at all. So these two panels are full panels, and then these two panels you can hardly notice, but they are slightly shorter, and that was so I could move that pedestrian gate a little bit further that way and make it so that the sliding gate didn't interfere with the pedestrian gate. So what do we think about that, guys? Did we nail it? Actually, I don't think I used a single nail on this job. Funny that. But here we go. I think that that Colorbond and that Merbau really makes a nice contrast, as well as those cypress posts. I would have liked to have used some hardwood posts, but unfortunately they weren't available. So what I've suggested to the client is to use a Merbau coloured oil on the cypress posts, and then use just a natural oil on the Merbau, and then that way they should match up nicely. Well, there you go, guys. That is the Colorbond fence with exposed posts and Merbau gates, all done and dusted. If you like this fence, just give the video a little like. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments section. And if you want to see more of what we do here at Nailed It Fencing, just make sure you push that follow button. All right, guys, thanks for watching.